The sun, a molten coin, began its slow descent towards the Aegean horizon, painting the sky in hues of apricot and rose. From the ridge of Aleomandra, Villa Mandra, a secret whisper to the wind, watched this spectacle unfold. It was a haven, a sanctuary built not for ostentation, but for the quiet communion of a young, dynamic family and their friends. The villa, designed by K-Studio, was a testament to the art of subtle integration, a structure that seemed to rise organically from the very earth it occupied, its presence softened by a meticulously landscaped, stone-walled garden that shielded it from the casual gaze of the road. The essence of Villa Mandra was not in its grandeur, but in its ability to foster a sense of serene connection. It was a place where time slowed, where the rhythm of life aligned with the gentle lapping of the waves against the shore. The architects had prioritized emotion over mere functionality, crafting spaces that invited rest, contemplation, and the simple joy of being. Every corner, every shadowed alcove, was an invitation to pause, to breathe, to simply exist. The challenge lay in balancing the desire for spaciousness with the need to respect the delicate balance of the landscape. They sought to create a refuge from the intense Cycladic sun, a place where guests could comfortably linger outdoors throughout the day. Inspired by the unassuming elegance of traditional island architecture, K-Studio had distilled the villa into 3 distinct volumes, 2 whitewashed structures, reminiscent of classic Cycladic homes, and a third, built from the very stone unearthed during construction. These volumes coalesced around a central courtyard, the heart of the home, sheltered by a sprawling, yet ethereal, chestnut pergola. This courtyard, a seamless extension of the living and kitchen areas, served as a communal hub, a place for shared meals, laughter, and the quiet contemplation of the breathtaking views stretching towards the island of Delos. Beneath the pool garden, nestled into the gentle slope of the hill, lay the private bedrooms. Each a sanctuary in itself, these rooms offered uninterrupted vistas of the lower garden and the shimmering sea beyond. Their separation from the main living areas ensured privacy and a sense of tranquility, further minimizing the villa's visual impact on the landscape. This thoughtful division of space, between the social and the private, contributed to the overall sense of harmony that permeated Villa Mandra. The villa's character was deeply rooted in its material palette, a harmonious blend of traditional elements and contemporary techniques. Lime-washed walls, smooth and rounded, stood in quiet contrast to the rugged texture of hand-built stone walls, each imbued with a sense of quiet confidence. The customary chestnut pergola, a hallmark of Cycladic architecture, had been reimagined, its structural integrity enhanced through modern engineering. The result was a lightweight, yet robust, lattice of glulam beams that cast dappled shadows over the courtyard, offering respite from the relentless sun. The interplay of these materials, the white volumes, the stone walls, and the airy pergola, created a visual language that spoke of both heritage and modernity. Villa Mandra was not a nostalgic recreation of the past, but a contemporary interpretation of timeless principles, a bridge between tradition and the present. The efficiency of its layout, centered around the vibrant courtyard, streamlined daily life, allowing residents to fully immerse themselves in the beauty of their surroundings. The villa was a testament to the power of simplicity, a reminder that true luxury lies not in opulence, but in the creation of spaces that foster connection, reflection, and a deep appreciation for the natural world. Villa Mandra, informed by the humble traditions of the Cyclades, enriched by the warmth of natural materials, and inspired by the art of contemporary summer living, was a sanctuary, a place where the soul could find solace and the spirit could soar. As the last rays of sunlight faded into the twilight, casting long shadows across the stone walls and the shimmering surface of the pool, Villa Mandra stood in quiet contemplation, a silent guardian of the memories made within its walls. It was a place where the rhythm of life slowed, where the beauty of the landscape permeated every corner, and where the simple act of being was elevated to an art form.